So hey everybody, this is going to be a hair review video, and excuse my voice, I am starting to get like a nasal cold, so yeah, just go with it and just try to ignore it. So anyway, like I said, this is going to be a hair review video for Alidoremi Hair. They are an AliExpress store, and I did receive really cute hair from them. So of course the hair did not come to me like this. It came to me body wave texture. I did cut this hair and I did style it just to make it more bob like. So the lengths I got were 18, 16, 14, and a 14-inch 4x4 closure. So this is just a closure. I did not get a frontal, and I just want you guys to see that. Getting right into the review of the hair to me is actually really good quality. It didn't shed while I was putting this unit together. Again, this hair came to probably about right here at first, so about 18 inches like I said, so about right here, and then I chopped it off, and this is the first time I've actually cut my own wig into a bob instead of like getting help. And I have to say, I am impressed with myself. I'm very proud of myself. I'm just gonna move back so you guys can see the unit. I did use a wave wand for this just to get it like a little wavy but still have it look natural. This is the full 3 bundles and the closure in this unit, and it is a little bit fuller than what I would like. I kind of wanted it to be more natural looking for me just because I have a small head, but I think the 3 bundles in this actually isn't bad because I debated back and forth if I was going to cut this or not, even attempt to cut it myself, and I actually like the way that it came out, and I just used clippers. I did not use scissors at all. So anyway, back to the quality of the hair. The hair has not shed. The hair is actually very, very thick, very soft, very lustrous. They are doing a promotion right now for back to school, just so I don't forget, because I was able to get an extra bundle. So this is a 20-inch right here. And again, body wave human hair. And again, you buy 3 bundles and a closure and you get an extra bundle free. But I did need to use the bundle in this unit because, like I said, I wanted to keep it very natural. But I actually really, really like the way that it is very full. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. So yes, so that's the back. I kind of wanted to replicate my birthday wig with a closure type wig because no one wants to wear a frontal all the time, and the closure wigs actually just are a lot more convenient in my opinion. And I can say this hair is really, really nice. Now as for bleaching, I don't know if this hair, how this hair holds up bleaching, because I did not bleach it. I wanted to do a really natural look for fall and just something different because I don't normally go for short hair. I always do long hair, and I think this is very, very convenient. And I think Alidoremi Hair is actually really good for the price, and you get a free bundle with your order. I have to say one thing because I did style this today, and I can see that a lot of my waves have already fell. I don't know if that's because this hair doesn't have any product in it or if it's the humidity in my house, but the waves have fallen a little bit. So I did touch this up just before the video, and that's the only thing I have to say really about a con, is that the hair fell really quick. But again, it doesn't have any product on it. It doesn't have any holding spray or anything like that. So this hair with no product is actually holding up really, really good. Again, it cut very even. I was scared to death to cut this hair, but I'm glad I did because I just want to show you guys the versatility that you guys can do with the bundles. Even if you get long bundles, you can always just chop it up and do what you want to do. I did not cut this on myself. I cut this on the wig stand that I have right here behind me. I did cut it on that. But I do know that it's easier to cut the wig while it's on you, but I can see the back if it's on my head. So I went ahead and I cut it on the wig stand. But like I said, I do really, really like this hair. It's very full, yet it's still natural. If you are into thick hair, if you have like a medium size to large head, you might want to just go ahead and throw in the extra bundle just to be safe if you are trying to do a bob. But I honestly really like how natural it looks. Another thing is with the closure, you do get a lot of hair. It isn't pre-plucked on the front. I kind of have it moved back just because I did not pluck the front of the closure, so it kind of looks a little thick. So I just wanted to kind of have a little bit of my hair out just to make it look a little more natural. But other than that, no shedding, no tangling. This hair is very natural, soft. It's just really cute, and I'm so glad that the cut came out good. One thing I do want to point out with the closure is that it does have some flyaways, but it's nothing too crazy. Like, it's a couple. It's nothing too crazy though. I have been noticing that lately a lot of closures have had a lot of flyaways, but it's gonna happen. So the best thing to do is just to throw some mousse on it or some spritz or holding spray and just smooth it down with a comb or with your hand, and then you'll be good to go. But I think I did a really good job at replicating my birthday hair, and I can say that this hair was actually bomb to do it. So let me know what you guys think about this hair and this hairstyle, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you are interested in this makeup look, I'm sure it will be up soon. So I'll leave a link down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.